guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. Okay guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing my cash stuffing for my first paycheck in June. Before I count this cash, I am going to take a drink of my sparkling water. I actually already recorded this intro, but something told me to check the audio because there was this one time that my audio was cutting in and out. I'm so glad I checked it because the audio was awful. So I already cracked this sparkling water open, but I'm going to take another sip just for aesthetics. Okay, so I'm going to take out my calculator to help me count this cash because it is a lot of money. And let's just start with the higher denominations. So I have 51, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 210, 20, 30, 40. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 105, 10, 15, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm cash stuffing $980. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna start with my first binder. We're going to start off with this binder right here. This is my revolving cash. For those that might be new, I don't carry cash with me. I do spend with my credit card and then I pay myself back. So I keep this money at home. So I'm going to go ahead and start with eating out. All right, so eating out is going to get 50. That's 20, 30, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50. Spending is going to get 80. So that's 20, 40, 50, 65, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. Hope everyone is having a good week. Today is June 8th. I got paid last Friday, so I'm finally getting around to cash stuffing. I'm trying to catch up like always, but hopefully tonight I'm able to record a few videos after this. Okay, so compra, which is groceries. I rolled over $40 for my last weekly on stuffing. This is gonna get $185. Let's just make sure that this is 185. So that's 100 and 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then plus the 20. So that is, let's see, because I don't feel like counting this again. So that's 185 plus 40. So I have a total of 225. My gas, I rolled over, I believe, $25 for my last weekly on stuffing. This is going to get 100. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85, 95, 6, 7, 8, 9, $125. Gas here is crazy. Like literally yesterday it said $3.09. Today it said $3.49. I'm like, what the heck? It's just, I just don't understand how it can jump that much in one day. Okay, so households is going to get 15. Household now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3. That's $83. My future rent is going to get 65. So that's 50, 65. And what this future rent is, it's basically me preparing for next year's rent increase plus my current rent increase. So each month I take out $145 from the stack, and then every paycheck I add 65. So right now in future rent I have 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 380, 390, 400, and 5, 10, 15. So that's $2,415. And today, you guys, I remembered my cell phone. I'm gonna cash stuff this with 25. I always tend to forget. Cell phone now has 50, 75. Now we're moving on to my low priority. This one is only going to have 2 envelopes that are cash stuffed today. Well, technically 4, but 3 of them are in this one envelope here, which is anniversaries. I save for 3 family members. Well, 2 family members and then a close friend. So MWP is getting a 5. So now it has 150, 75, 80. So 180. I like to add these up all together. Okay, TAP is going to get a 5. They have 20, 40, 60, 5, 70. JBP is also going to get a 5. They have 20, 40, 60, 75. So I have a total of 325 between these 3 envelopes. Okay, the next one that's going to get cash stuff in this binder is Dustin, and he is going to get 105. It's 50, 70, 90, 105. Dustin now has 50, 70, 90, 105, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So 180 plus he has $13 in his emergency fund. So he has a total of 193. And that is correct. Now we're going to move on to my high priority, and we're going to start off with car maintenance. Car maintenance is going to get 10. Car maintenance now has 500, 600, 700, and 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 810, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $824. Medical is also getting a 10. Medical now has a 500, 600, 700, and 50, 65, 66, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3. So that's 773. Emergency funds is getting a 10. Now it has a 500, 600, 700, 800, 950, 65, 965. Travel is going to get 80. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. I was actually supposed to take money out for my last weekly on stuffing, and I forgot from this category, but that's okay. So travel now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 950, 75, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 984. Savings is going to get a 10. Savings now has 550, 70, 90, 610, 15, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. So that's 633. Is that what I said? Yes. I counted that really odd. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 monthly expenses is getting 15. So now I have 1,000, 2,000, 520, 30, 45, 50. That's $2,550. All right, so that is it for my cash envelopes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my yearly savings, which is this right here. I'm gonna do my penny challenge first. And we're gonna go to August, which is 3rd quarter. So let me get out August here. August is gonna be saving a total of $72. Jeez, I have slippery hands tonight. 72. We're gonna cash stuff this with 36. So that's 20, 35, and 36. Let's see if that makes 30, if that makes 72. $20, $40, $50, $60, $5, $70, $1, $2. Yep, August is fully funded. I know last time I had mentioned we're gonna go to 52 weeks. We're gonna go to August as well. I had mentioned that I have a plan for this. The plan is actually on an Excel spreadsheet. If you guys want, I can print it out and show you on my next cash stuffing what it looks like. I basically broke it down to, I know exactly how much I'm gonna be taking out of each paycheck between now and the end of the year to be able to cash stuff both of these binders. I'm gonna be finished with the penny challenge first because that's less money. So yeah, just let me know if you guys are interested in seeing that. Okay, so this August I have to save $130. I'm gonna cash stuff this with $24. So that's 21, 2, 3, 4. Let's just add it to the stack. So now I have 20, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 38 out of the 130. Okay, now, so this money here should be money for my $60 that I save each paycheck plus some extra, because I get 3 paychecks in the month of June, and the way I worked my budget, I had a little extra money in my first paycheck as opposed to my last paycheck. So this right here should be $145. So let's just count this. So it's 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 105, 10, 15, 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is correct. So $60 of this I'm going to be putting inside of this challenge here in my next savings challenge, and then the remaining I'll add it to my regular savings challenge cash stuffing. Okay, so I will put that back there for now, and that is it, you guys. I have no money left here. As you see here, I got some new stickers from Temu, these little elephants. They're so adorable. So if you guys are at this point, leave me an elephant emoji. That way I know that you're at this point. Go ahead, leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought about this video. And leave me, like I said, an elephant emoji. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You guys take care. Have an amazing morning, day, or night. And I will catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.